Enabling Raise to Wake on your iPhone. 16 provides convenient access to your lock screen notifications and time by automatically activating the display when you pick up your device. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll to Find and then tap on Display and Brightness. To continue, scroll down and find Raise to Wake from the display options. To enable or disable the feature, simply toggle the Raise to Wake switch on or off. When enabled, the screen automatically wakes when the device is lifted. The display turns on without pressing buttons, allowing you to quickly view time and notifications. The screen dims after a period of inactivity, or when the device is placed down to conserve battery life. This iPhone feature provides an intuitive way to check your device's information. And that's all there is to this guide. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.